In this video, we're going to navigate the employee directory. To navigate to the employee directory, we're going to go to the staff option in the sidebar, and under team, we're going to choose the directory option. In the directory, we're going to see all of the team members currently invited to Monograph. At the top, we will see the ability to sort by team member, by status, as well as by permissions. In the upper right, we're going to see the ability to add team members, which we will cover in depth in another video. Now, looking at the employee directory, we'll see the following. We'll see the employee name. We're going to see their default role that they've been assigned. That will be set up as we add our team members into Monograph. This pencil icon is also going to allow us to modify that. We're going to also see the title, email, and permissions. Now, I do like to note here that you may notice that there is a discrepancy between the title Senior Associate and the permission, which is Associate. The difference here is that the title is your internal title at your company, whereas permissions are going to be the specific permission levels that the admin has set up and assigned to that user. So while they might be the same, they also could be different based upon how they've been set up. To the right, we'll also see the status of the user, such as if the user is active or if they've not been invited. We will also see the onboarding status. So we'll see that as complete. If they have not been invited, we might see a send invitation option. Or if we have not added compensation, we will see the add compensation purple heading there to ensure that we do so. To the right, we will see a three-dot menu where we can also deactivate the users.